Hi, welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with the important golden laws of green marketing and objectives of green marketing. In previous session, we completed about the meaning, definition and introduction about green marketing. Green marketing came into evaluation in late 80s and it was implemented in the year 1890 clear 90s. And green marketing is nothing but an marketing of those products which create or service which create minimum harm to the environment. The different jargons or different names of green marketing are ecological marketing, then we have environmental marketing, or we have green marketing. Clear to it? Okay. Important golden laws of green marketing. Consumer should be aware. If a consumer need to sell the product, it should make sure that the consumers are better aware of the benefit of the green product and their growing necessities. The consumer should know the main reason behind the issue of the product that are eco-friendly. Next, reassures the buyer. Marketers should understand that they need to convince the consumer by promoting the true quality and ethically and show the performance of the product, because it would be difficult to sell the products to the consumer only on the line that they are ecologically friendly. Transparency. Marketers should be ethical in claiming their products as eco-friendly. They should be genuine and transparent about their claim. The business policy should also go with it. Considered pricing. It is possible that marketers charge a greater price for the green products because of the high cost of production and use of high quality ingredients. Many consumers may not afford this high price, so consumer company need to consider a reasonable price and target the appropriate audience effectively. Consumer participation. The consumer should involve the consumers in the initiative of green marketing. Once the consumer is a part of this cause, he or she will understand the concept better and the issue of pricing etc. can be resolved. Cleared? क्या है गोल्डन रूल्स? पहले वाला है कंज्यूमर को हमें अवेयर करना है अबाउट द ग्रीन मार्केटिंग. देन अश्योर्ड द बायर, रिअश्योर्स द बायर को हमें कन्विंस करना है जो हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं उसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखना है. एथिकली कंसिडर्ड प्राइसिंग. जब हम प्राइस चार्ज करते हैं, ऑल दो ग्रीन मार्केटिंग के प्रोडक्ट्स जो होते हैं वो ज़्यादा कॉस्ट बेरिंग होते हैं एंड द प्राइसेस गोज हायर देन द नॉर्मल लेस ग्रीन मार्केटिंग प्रोडक्ट, तो वी हैव टू सी एंड कीप द प्राइस कंफर्टेबल एंड रीजनेबल. कंज्यूमर पार्टिसिपेशन, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंज्यूमर का इसमें पार्टिसिपेशन होना चाहिए. क्लियर टू इट? Now, in the next sense, we will be dealing with the objectives of green marketing. Green marketing is the act of not only living by environmentally friendly policies and procedures, but letting consumer know about it. Green marketing is important for a number of reasons. For eliminating wastefulness to educating consumer about how a company is maintaining eco-friendly measures. Here are some other objectives to consider when thinking about green marketing. First one है avoiding wastage. Second one है reinventing product. Fourth one है making marketing while being green. Then changing process, creating eco-friendly messaging. First one is avoiding wastage. Whether it is creating biodegraded product packaging, meaning it can be broken down by biological means, cutting down on water consumption, or reducing the amount of trust that goes into landfills. Green marketing is just a concerned with avoiding waste and putting forward an eco-friendly face to the public. Then reinventing products. Products themselves can be modified to lessen the impact on the environment. For example, method source its ingredients from many plant derived ingredients, which means it's safer for human, not toxic for family pets who might accidentally neglect inget it, and more environmental friendly by being water soluble and disappearing safety into the environment. Next है making green while being green. Of course, companies that promotes green products wants to not only be good stewards of the planet Earth but make a profit while doing so. Green marketing allows businesses to capitalize on the subset of the population willing to pay a little more to the lesser than the footprints on the environment and protect the atmosphere. Changing processes. Consumers aren't the only one that needs to be consumed with the environment impact concerned with the environment impact. Green marketing also encourages business to properly utilize resources such as water consumption and electricity. Changing process also means looking for renewable material, using alternative energy source, and finding way to deliberate product in a more efficient manner. Creating eco-friendly messaging. Green marketing biggest marketing accomplishment might be in messaging. Green marketing work to help consumers understand a product green benefits and a company's commitment to the environment. It also an important adventure in which to educate people about sustainability of the environment. क्लियर. ग्रीन मार्केटिंग का फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? वेस्ट अवॉइड करना. सेकेंड है री इन्वेंटिंग प्रोडक्ट को फिर से क्रिएट करना. देन मेकिंग ग्रीन वाइल बीइंग ग्रीन. जब हम ग्रीन प्रोडक्ट करते हैं तो कंपनी अपने प्रॉफिट के बारे में भी उसमें सोचना चाहिए. चेंजिंग प्रोसेस. जो हम प्रोडक्ट प्रोसेस करने के जो मेथड्स यूज़ करते हैं ग्रीन मार्केटिंग में वो भी चेंज करना चाहिए सो दैट ऐसे प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करें जो रिन्यूएबल है, ऐसे एनर्जीज़ यूज़ करें जो अल्टरनेटिव एनर्जीज़ और कन्वर्टेबल एनर्जीज़ है. और क्रिएटिंग इको फ्रेंडली मैसेजेस. और जब भी हम कोई मैसेजिंग अपने प्रोडक्ट पर डालते हैं तो इको फ्रेंडली मैसेजेस होना चाहिए सो दैट कंज्यूमर गेट अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स इट एंड दे आर रेडी टू पे मोर than the normal product. Clear to it? Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home, be safe. I'll be framing next lecture in the next sessions with the next topic on green marketing. Clear to it? Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home, be safe.